Okay, welcome to this video on the 2021 DCG exam for ordinary level on question B1. So we've got a kennel and we have to draw an elevation of the kennel, and then we have to project a plan view of the kennel, and that's okay basically when the door is closed. So okay, and then that's for part A, and then we have to open the door. So you shouldn't draw. Okay, you should just be conscious of a hidden detail, then elevation. So we're going to be drawing the elevation looking from there, the plan view looking from above, and then part C is we'll have to draw an auxiliary elevation to show the true shape of the door. So we'll be looking from this direction. Right, so it's 80 wide, 80 high on the left side, and 60 high on the right side. Okay, so I can draw in an XY line. Okay, so it's 80 wide, 80 high on the left side, and then 60 high on the right side. Okay. And then the doorway is 15 and 15 in. So the doorway is 15 in and 15 in because it's 50 wide, 80 minus 15, 80 minus 65, so leaving 15 there, and then we know it's 15 there and 50 high. So I can mark it in 15 and 15. I can go up 50 there we go. Now I'm using my 4H pencils, so I know I'm going to have construction work to do. Now the length of the kennel or depth of the kennel in plan is 100, so it doesn't matter the distance between the XY line and plan. I'm just going to go with 10. There, we've that marked in. Okay, I can establish the position of the doorway. Okay, when it's closed, that's when it's closed there, and the angle there is 30 degrees. Okay, when it's opened, off vertical, so I can use my set square here at 60 degrees because marking 60 degrees off horizontal, and it's 50 millimeters when open. So if you see that arc there, that's marking a rotation of the door. I'm going to take, this is one way of doing it. You can just take your compass, rotate the 50 on it so you get it a bit more, so you understand it a bit more. Right, so there's the doorway. Okay, I just dropped the camera down. There's the doorway in plan, and then I can project that up to elevation. So there's my elevation done with my heavy and hidden detail. Now I'm just doing the plan in heavy. Okay, and I'm ready to do my auxiliary elevation. So here's surface A, the inside of the door. Here's surface A projecting as an edge in plan. Now if you want to draw see the true shape of the surface, project from a view in which the surface is seen as an edge view, which is plan view. Okay, so I am going to have to look at 90 degrees to surface A. Right? So line up the edge of your set square with surface A, which are 2 square underneath it, slide it on. This happens to be 30 degrees, and we're going to draw in our projection lines from the surface, or perpendicular to surface A. Okay, and I'm projecting from plan. Oh, nasty bugger. And don't forget to do the doorway. Now once you have those projection lines in, draw in your x1, y1 line. So your x1, y1 line can be any distance out from your plan view, and it's parallel to the edge of surface A and perpendicular to the projection lines. Right, now we're going to take our heights from elevation. So our heights from elevation are 50, 60, and 80. They're the only ones you need. So let's mark them in. So I can mark in 80 here. There's 60, and there's 50. So 80, 60, and 50. I'm going to draw lines parallel to the x1, y1 line after that. Now let's just focus on the door first, right? So these 2 points in plan have a height of 50 in our auxiliary. So I'm going to follow this one and heavy in for 50. And you know, I may as well label all these. So I'm going to call this A, B, A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D, C slash D, E, F, E slash F. Okay, G, point G, point G. Right, so here's A1, B1, because it's got a height of 50. I can connect them together. Now there's the true shape of surface A. Now C, I'm going to follow C, that is a height of, okay, 80. And that's going to be a heavy line here and a hidden line here. C1. D, okay, has a height of 80 as well. That's D1. Okay, F has a height. I go on to F now. So F is a height of 60. That's just projection line is off. Do that and mark that in again. So F, what I say, is a height of 60. So there's F1. I can heavy that line down. There's nothing in the way of that. Right, E. Here's E plan. Right, E has a height of 60 as well. So coming from E there, I can mark that in. E1. Now, E joins to C and F joins to D. So I'm going to join them together. And then E and F join together. And then here's the opening of the doorway. Now we're flying here. And that's point G there. The height of it, 50. G joins to B. So you've all your heavy detail in. There's going to be a hidden line coming down from D, as mentioned earlier, to intersect with this one. So dash line, and then that's your question complete.